welcome back to the channel. So today we have something really exciting. I picked up this RC car from Amazon India, the Gooyo GY-231CH Hi-Speed Rechargeable RC car. And the best part? I got it for just 399 rupees. That's it, 399. It was originally priced at 899, so that's a massive 56% off. Honestly, I could not scroll past this deal. So let's open this thing up and see if it's actually worth it. 030 to 050. Quick note, the link to grab this exact RC car is in the description below. It's an affiliate link, so if you buy through it, it helps support the channel at zero extra cost to you. Prices can change, but at the time of filming, this was genuinely one of the best budget RC car deals I've seen on Amazon. Alright, let's get into it. Packaging. So first impressions of the box. It's actually a gift box style packaging. Like, Gooyo has gone ahead and given this proper gift box treatment, which honestly feels premium for a 399 rupee product. The box has a nice printed design. You can see the car on the front and it says High-Speed RC Car with the glowing headlights feature highlighted. I picked up the white color variant, but this also comes in black, red, yellow and assorted options, all at the same price. Let me go ahead and open this up. Alright, opening the box, and inside we've got the RC car itself, the remote controller, a USB charging cable, and a small instruction sheet. The car is white, and honestly, it looks pretty clean. It's got this glossy, smooth finish on the body. The material is ABS plastic, which is supposed to be non-toxic and scratch-resistant. Good news for parents with little ones. The wheels look solid. You can see the clear tread pattern on them. And up front, you've got those glowing headlights that they advertise. I'm definitely going to test those later. The remote controller is a standard pistol grip style. It's got a comfortable size that'll work for both kids and adults. It takes 2 AA batteries to run, which are not included, so keep that in mind before gifting this to a kid on their birthday. Nothing worse than a toy with no batteries on the big day. Now let me walk you through what this car can actually do. First, it's fully rechargeable. There's a built-in 500 mAh lithium-ion battery inside the car. You charge it via USB, and after about 45 minutes of charging, you get 25 to 30 minutes of continuous playtime. For a budget RC car, that's genuinely decent. Second, the controls. It can move forward, backward, left, and right. The wheel rotation is designed to handle angles smoothly, so kids shouldn't have a hard time steering it around the house or outdoors. Third, the build. Independent suspension system on the wheels, which helps it handle different surfaces. So whether your kid is running it on tiles, carpet, or even a rough outdoor surface, it should handle reasonably well. And of course, the glowing headlights. Because what's an RC car without lights, right? Great for evening play sessions. Alright, batteries are in the remote, the car is charged up. Let's actually run this thing. Okay, so it's moving. Forward, backward. Response time is pretty snappy actually. The turning is smooth. It's not the fastest RC car I've ever seen, but for indoors or a small outdoor area, this is more than enough. The headlights are glowing, looks really cool in a slightly dim room. The size is compact, which makes it great for indoor play. The build feels solid. No creaking or flexing when I pick it up. I'm honestly surprised by the quality at this price point. So, is the Gooyo GY-231CH worth buying at 399 rupees? Honestly, yes. If you're looking for a budget-friendly gift for a kid, this ticks all the boxes. Gift-ready packaging, rechargeable battery, glowing headlights, solid build quality, and easy controls. It's a no-brainer at this price. If you want to grab this, the Amazon link is right there in the description. Use it to support the channel. It won't cost you anything extra, and you'll be helping me make more videos like this one. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, Drop a comment below telling me what you think and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you in the next one.